Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started out watching Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat. Okay, so I've got this cute little ghosty. I've got a few of them actually. I'm gonna do a couple of them, but I've put my pillow paint down and it is Ismore Purple from Color to Go Sherwin-Williams. I've got some pinks out here I'm gonna throw on it, and we might do a little something to it at the end. But for now, I'm just gonna let you guys watch and play some music. Give me a minute and I'll be right back with another one. I'll be right back to show you the finished dry pics, but first we have a very special collaboration coming up, so here is the details on that.
October 29th and 30th, a community of incredible creators from around the world come together with love, light, and pink beyond the ribbon. Through art, storytelling, and heartfelt connection, we honor those we've lost and loved, celebrate those who continue to fight with courage and grace, and rejoice with those who have overcome and found healing. In this video, you'll see our wall of names, each one representing a life, a story, and a reason why awareness and compassion matter. Please consider donating if you can. Together we create a purpose we remember with love, and we stand united beyond the ribbon. This is an Art by Donna collaboration. With love, light, and pink beyond the ribbon. See you there.